Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're in the perfect place for simple, fun, and creative crochet projects. Today, we're going to work on something that's not only beginner-friendly, but also quick and lovely. A crochet bookmark with a beautiful flower design. This is a perfect project for gifts or just a fun, relaxing crochet moment for yourself. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and inspiring for your next crochet project. What's awesome about this bookmark is you can adjust the length and use any color combination you like. So feel free to get creative and make it your own. For today's tutorial, I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi cotton yarn. It's soft and durable, which makes it great for projects like this. I'm also using a 2.5mm crochet hook, but feel free to use whatever size works best for you. Before we jump in, I'd be so grateful if you'd subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps me out and lets me know what kind of content you enjoy. Plus, when you subscribe, you'll get notified about all my future crochet tutorials, and I have some really fun ones planned. Now let's get started with making our beautiful bookmark. First, we'll begin with a magic ring. This will form the center of our flower. Chain 1 to secure the ring. Now, work a total of 20 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. That's it for round 1. Once you've got your 20 single crochets, slip stitch to the top of the first chain to close the round. This gives us a nice clean circle. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now, let's switch to our second color. Attach your new yarn to any of the single crochet stitches. Make 4 chains, yarn over twice, and make 3 triple crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches. Chain 4 again. Make a slip stitch into the top of the next single crochet stitch. Chain 4. We'll repeat what we just did. Yarn over twice and make 3 triple crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches. Chain 4 again. Make a slip stitch into the top of the next single crochet stitch. Chain 4. Keep repeating these steps to create a total of 5 flower petals around the circle. Let's keep going all the way around. Now we've completed the 5 flower groups. To finish this round, make 4 chains, slip stitch into the first stitch where you attached your yarn, make 1 chain, and cut the yarn. Let's switch back to the white yarn. Secure the yarn to the top of any of the 4 chains in each group, and then make a single crochet. Work 2 half double crochets into the top of each of the 3 triple crochets below. This will give our petals a nice, rounded shape. Make a single crochet into the top of the last 4th chain in the group. Chain 3. Make a single crochet into the slip stitch space where you made the chain. Chain 3. Single crochet into the top of the first chain, 2 half double crochets into the top of each of the 3 triple crochets below. Single crochet into the top of the next chain. Chain 3. Single crochet into the slip stitch space, and then chain 3 again. Continue working the pattern we made on top of the 2 groups, on top of all the groups, until the end of the row. When you reach the end of the row, chain 3. Make a single crochet into the same space as the last slip stitch you made. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet where you secured the yarn. Chain 1, and then weave in the yarn ends securely through the stitches on the back. This will keep everything nice and tidy and prevent your beautiful work from unraveling. Let's continue by using the green yarn to make the leaf and stem of the flower. We'll start by making the flower's leaf. After making the first knot, make 10 chains. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook, half double crochet into the next chain, 2 double crochets side by side into the next stitch. Triple crochet into the next chain, 2 double crochets side by side into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next chain, and single crochet into the last chain. For the second side of the leaf, chain 2 to turn, and make a single crochet again right into the same stitch where you made the last single crochet. Turning back, we will now repeat those same stitches in reverse order down the other side of the leaf. In order, work a half double crochet, 2 double crochets, a triple crochet, 2 double crochets side by side, a half double crochet into the next chain, and a single crochet into the same space where you made the first single crochet. Chain 2, and complete the leaf by making a slip stitch into the stitch at the top of the first single crochet. Now, we're going to create the chain that will make this into a bookmark. You can make this any length you want. It's totally up to you. I'm going to make a total of 55 chains for mine, but you can adjust this to fit your favorite book. I've made my 55 chains. Now let's take our flower design and join it to the chain by making a slip stitch into the 2 loops of any single crochet space we made with the white yarn. Chain 1, then cut the yarn and weave in the ends securely through the stitches on the back of the flower design. And there you go. The chain is now beautifully attached to the front of your flower. That's all for this video tutorial. I really hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed making this sweet flower bookmark with me. If you enjoyed making this bookmark and are excited to see more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials, please subscribe. It's a free way to let me know you appreciate the content I create, and I'll be able to provide even more projects for you. I'm so grateful for your subscription and your support. What other kinds of quick projects would you like to see? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. Please share this video with any of your crafty friends who love to crochet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.